Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Job number 2 on Monday maintenance day. We've got a sump pump to replace. Let's go take a look. So let's go ahead and take this apart. We can use some of these fittings on the temporary pump. Maybe. Some of this out of the way. That pump is spent. Let's set up a temporary pump right here. We're going to use most of these fittings. We just have to make the measurement. Difficult to do when it's underground, but we can do this. I'm sorry, when it's underwater. But we'll do it. So we can see a watermark right here. Let's go ahead and put check valve on there. Actually, let's take this off of here. Put our check valve on there. Hot. Perfect set. Then we need our no hub adapter. Get one side on there and the other side. Perfect. Now we can tighten these guys up. We're ready to plug it in, see what it does. There it goes. This is only 1/3 of a horsepower, but it's temporary relief. Give them some, working pump until they get the replacement for that Zoller. Looking good. Let's go out to the street and see what's happening. So that pump has been protecting here between the homes. You can see tremendous grade coming down here, and there's a catch basin there. I see the water moving real well, and it comes down. Another catch basin over here. You can see it, and you can see that pump taking the water out. Another catch basin. Let's go out here and see what kind of discharge the little 1/3 of a horsepower actually has. It's actually pretty good. the M98 with the 1/2 horsepower, much faster. But yeah, I see the water coming up out there. I guess this is trash day for debris, but you can see that water popping up out here. Looking good. Looking really good. One-third of a horsepower, doesn't sound like a lot, pushing it about 150 feet, but yeah, it's taking it all out, looking really good, looking really good. So that was an easy service call. And you can see that catch basin's dry, this one's dry, this one's dry. There's a couple more over here, let's take a look. Oh yeah, nice and dry. Took all that water almost instantly. Oh, beautiful, just beautiful. So area's looking good. Remember, when you install a sump pump, remember, it is the heart and soul of your system, and it must function. Yeah, they can go bad. I mean, this one went bad. It's been in here a long time. Yeah, when those sump pumps go bad, they go bad. They are the heart and soul of your system. If you're lifting that water, we'll call it a lift station. And you can see that water coming in the inlet line. Just showed you how dry it was out there. So that pump, each time it kicks on, it's emptying all of that water out of the yard. It's not about recycling. It's about how much water can your pump move. And if it recycles every 5 minutes, hey, that's great. Tells you that it's moving a lot of water. This is a swing float. And again, this is just a temporary pump. I use this a lot. Give people the same pump. It's not permanent. We will put another Zoller M98 back in here. We will put another Zoller M98 back in here, just that we are out of pumps. We are so busy that we've sold, I don't know, 30, 40 pumps just this week alone. So that didn't take very long at all. A real simple Monday maintenance. You know, we do a lot of this. We replace pumps, we install pumps, make small repairs. These afternoon rains, they're actually much worse than a hurricane. They produce such tremendous amounts of rain on already saturated soil. When that soil's full up and we get those 3-4 inches of rain in less than an hour, problems happen. And that's when we're the busiest time of the year, is actually now as we go into hurricane season. So I urge you to get on the schedule as soon as possible, not only here in Orlando, but down in Miami. Miami is swamped with work, and also Raleigh and Charlotte. They also get hit by hurricanes that come up through the Gulf, come across and come out, in the Outer Banks. So get on the schedule as soon as you can. So don't forget about Ed's Walk for the Homeless Vets. Link is in the description box below. And also on Saturday, July 3rd at 8 a.m., the free Froup Live Help. That's also in the description box. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.